Hi, this is John Lane with Castle Rock Lawn and Sprinkler. I'd like to talk to you about a sprinkler issue you may encounter one day. This past October, the sprinkler system here at my home was fully winterized. When the process was finished, the system was completely clear of water and set for winter. However, for some customers, as is the case here at my home, water may begin dripping from the backflow preventer a week or two after the winterization. So what's happening? We refer to this issue as a weeping shutoff valve. Even though the handle on the indoor sprinkler system shutoff valve is fully closed, the valve is allowing water to slowly seep back into the system. Over time, the water refills the pipes, resulting in dripping from the lowest point on the backflow preventer, typically from the drain on the elbow or the lowest test port. When temperatures drop, this water will freeze, resulting in costly damage to the backflow preventer. You may be wondering what caused the shutoff valve to fail. The most likely cause is heating damage to the internal plastic components during the original soldering process. Excessive heat can warp or weaken these parts, preventing the valve from sealing properly over time, or it could have been just a simple manufacturing defect. You might be wondering why this problem was not detected at the time of service. These leaks are too subtle to notice immediately and only become apparent over time. When you notice dripping from your backflow preventer, call us and we will confirm the issue. If the shutoff valve is failing, you'll need to contact a plumber to replace it. Once the repair is complete, we will return at no charge to re-winterize your backflow preventer and ensure your system is fully protected once again. As a side note, when we're called to repair a backflow preventer in the spring, we often see dripping from the damaged area, which went unnoticed, a clear sign that the shutoff valve is weeping, which ultimately caused the damage. Please contact the office if you have any questions. Our staff is ready to help you.